Orientation (parentheses) in geometry (end parentheses). An object's position in 3D space, or the placement or alignment of a figure in relation to others or an object of reference. Say we are given an arrow pointing up. We then proceed to move the arrow, but at all times the arrow is still pointing up. This is referred to as orientation. We have moved the arrow, but maintained the orientation because it has remained pointing in the same direction, in this case, up at all times. Translation refers to moving a shape or sliding a shape, but maintaining its orientation. In reflection and in rotation, the orientation of the shape does change with the movement of the shape. Think of dilating an object, either expanding it or shrinking it by a scale factor. The shape changes proportionally, but does not change its orientation. Orientation refers to an object's position in three-dimensional space, or the placement or alignment of a shape in relation to a point of reference. Related words: rigid motions, dilation.